breaking news out of Los Angeles. That is where the entire school district there has been shut down because of several bomb threats. Several schools reportedly threatened.
And it is a credible enough threat to shut down 900 schools for the entire day. Local 10 News reporter MJ Acosta is live in the newsroom. She has details for us on what's happening out in California.
Well, Christy and Eric, police say all public schools in Los Angeles are closed today due to a credible and electronic threat. CNN is reporting the threat involves backpacks. Parents received robocalls telling them to keep their kids at home. Now, students and teachers were told to stay away from all schools and campuses in the Los Angeles Unified School District. ABC News reporting that senior law enforcement officials in LA tell them the threat isn't considered serious. However, schools are closed out of abundance of caution. Now, the superintendent said he just couldn't take any chances and wants all schools to be searched with a report from each school saying they're safe before giving an all clear. Now, the Los Angeles School Police Department tweeted this out just after 7 a.m. Pacific time, saying that schools were in fact closed because of that credible threat.
It was broad, and it was not to one school, 2 schools, or 3 schools. It was many schools, not specifically identified, but there were many schools. That's the reason I took the action that I did. This is a rare threat. We get threats all the time. Yeah.
Now, the district has hundreds of thousands of students. Many of them take buses, and just look at this scene. The bus yard packed with yellow buses that should have been on their routes. This district is the second largest in the nation. The superintendent and school board members will assess the reports and decide whether or not school will resume on Wednesday. And just into the newsroom right now, police in New York City saying they received the same threat that closed the schools in Los Angeles. They concluded that that it was a hoax in that city. And we just checked. There haven't been any threats made to Miami-Dade County schools. That is the latest right now. We will keep you posted online and on air. In the newsroom, MJ Acosta, Local 10 News.